Welcome back to Antique Machine, the channel where timeless craftsmanship meets the marvels of modern engineering. Today, we'll journey into the world of wood splitters, machines that turn raw timber into perfect firewood, revealing how mankind's need for warmth inspired some of the most ingenious mechanical creations. In the early days, wood splitting was all about patience and pressure. This first-generation splitter uses a hydraulic cylinder, powered by a gasoline engine that pumps oil through a two-stage hydraulic pump. The wedge moves slowly but with tremendous force, sometimes exceeding 25 tons of pressure. Every hiss of the valve, every groan of the piston, tells a story of engineering built to last. Operators would manually lift and position each log, a laborious but rewarding task. These early splitters were not fast, but they were unstoppable, built from solid steel frames and rugged hoses that could survive decades of heavy use. In their simplicity lies their beauty, pure mechanical honesty. As time passed, manufacturers sought speed and safety. This modern splitter shows the next step: auto return valves, adjustable log cradles, and four-way wedges that split logs into quarters in one stroke. Its horizontal beam design ensures stability and balance, while the hydraulic oil filter system keeps performance smooth and reliable. Some models even feature electric start engines and dual-hand control systems, a critical innovation to prevent accidental engagement. Watch how it glides through hardwood like butter, a perfect example of how precise hydraulics replaced brute strength. Today's machines are not just tools, they're refined instruments of craftsmanship. Here, raw power takes center stage. This heavy-duty splitter operates with a high-flow hydraulic circuit, capable of pushing 40 tons of pressure through a hardened steel wedge. Notice the thick-walled cylinder and reinforced splitting table, designed to handle frozen or knotty logs that would stop a lesser machine cold. The engine's idle control automatically adjusts power to match resistance, conserving fuel while maintaining torque. Each split is clean, controlled, and efficient. You can almost feel the rhythm, the perfect balance between pressure, flow, and resistance, the core principles of hydraulic physics in motion. Now, let's take a look at innovation that moves. The black splitter is not a stationary machine. It's a hydraulic cone splitter attachment mounted on a 2.8-ton mini excavator. The cone is made of forged steel, rotating via planetary gear drive, powered directly from the excavator's auxiliary hydraulics. As the cone turns, it bites into the log, using both rotation and downward pressure to split it effortlessly. The advantage? Portability and precision. Operators can split massive logs right where they fall. No dragging, no lifting. It's ideal for forestry work, firewood processing, and clearing storm-damaged trees. It's not just smart, it's elegant in its engineering logic. Here, we enter a different world, full automation. The Petzolato TB900 is an industrial-grade processor capable of handling logs up to 90 centimeters in diameter. Logs are fed into the cutting chamber by a conveyor. A circular tungsten carbide saw slices them to length, while a hydraulic ram pushes each section through a multi-blade splitting wedge. The system's electronic control panel synchronizes every movement, from cutting speed to conveyor timing, ensuring no wasted motion. It's a marvel of automation, turning raw logs into perfectly stacked firewood with minimal human touch. In this realm, man becomes the conductor, and the machine plays the symphony. Precision isn't only for large machines. The KSXU 350 is a specialized kindling and firewood splitter that transforms small logs into thin, uniform sticks, perfect for lighting fires. It uses a rotating knife drum and synchronized feed rollers to ensure every piece is evenly split. With adjustable settings, operators can fine-tune the length and thickness of each kindling stick. The result is efficiency down to the smallest detail, combining mechanical exactness with the warm simplicity of a home fire. It reminds us, every great blaze begins with something small, made by hands or machines that care. But power, when misused, can turn dangerous. Here we see why respect for hydraulics is essential. A log splitter under pressure can release more than 3,000 psi of hydraulic force, enough to crush metal, or worse. Many accidents happen when operators bypass safety features, or wear loose clothing near moving parts. A moment's carelessness can lead to serious injury. These clips, though hard to watch, are lessons in humility, reminders that even the best machines demand attention, knowledge, and caution. True mastery is not in power, but in control. Finally, we come to the heart of it all, human ingenuity. This craftsman-built splitter, made from scrap metal and old tractor parts, embodies the true spirit of invention. Its belt-driven pulley system transfers power from a small motor to a custom-built ram assembly, proving that creativity doesn't need a factory, only vision. In another design, a homemade branch shredder uses a repurposed flywheel and a series of sharpened blades. It's rough, imperfect, but it works. Every bolt, every weld is a testament to human will. These machines remind us that technology isn't just about progress. It's about survival, adaptation, and pride in making something from nothing. From hand-driven pistons to automated processors, the story of wood splitters is a story of humanity itself. Our endless quest to make work easier, faster, and better. Every machine you've seen today reflects not just force, but thought, the balance between invention and necessity. Thanks for watching Antic Machine. Subscribe Stay curious and keep celebrating the machines that shaped our world, one log at a time.